time is to, pray for all the people that are still in the hospital, that they make it, for this kid's family and his sister. At the memory for his sister, she's still in there, and his mom. Geez, the whole, just to be at the finish line for something like that to happen is really, really sad.
I used to stand at that same spot with my own kids when my husband would run the marathon, and I just didn't know where else to be tonight. So I'm here with some of my kids.
I think we all feel kind of powerless. Don't really know what to do or what to say or how to help or anything.
Their physical and spiritual wounds of body and spirit. Austin, of the state of Massachusetts, of so many public safety